care about anything, you know that. Even if my body feel tingle and scratch me, I can tell you. So for you, I say that now, you know, say, yeah, I don't know, something wrong, you know, because I don't trouble your money. No, trouble your money. And now I see your money out there and go there, but pick it up and I like, make my teeth it or something.
What's up, KNJ family? Where that deal do good? Big up on yourself. Guys, today I have a prank from my little sister. Yeah, I have a wicked piece of prank for her. So, I planned the prank from last night. I go tell her, say, Junior give me some money to give him son. I'm going to put it down for him whatnot out there, sir. And go on the road today and come back. I'm going to come back $2,500 missing out of money. I know me take it. I know Junior take it. And more she take it. Right, guys? So, I want to hear what her reaction I go be to see if she go tell lie on herself and say, yeah, she take it, or she go for the money and give me it back, or whatever. I don't know what going to be her reaction, guys. But, I want she feel it. Because last time, yo, I come back for her with blood in my eye. Blood in my eye, I come back for her for after last time she and Odie and ruin my plan. But them switch it for me. She don't know so I have this fear, guys. But watch her. Not talk about the whole live video. I'm gonna stay tuned and watch this. Guys, I'm so excited. Just watch this. Alright. So, I don't know which part I can hide the phone. You want to make it seem so easy when I hide the phone them. So, I have to just set up my things them like I'm gonna make bouquet. Like I'm gonna make a wedding bouquet. I'm gonna cut out one little hole here, so I'm gonna just take the phone and put it through it. Hopefully it work, guys. I'm gonna just check it out. La, hope it work. Hope it work. Hope it work, guys. And my sister, we have to talk to him and I have to someone want to tell me the truth. Alright? I'm say I'm a sister. And if I talk to you about something, I'm supposed to be honest with me. You need to tell me a lie. I will out there one place. Alright? This morning, Junior give me some money. Give me 12.5. And tell me say, to put it on and whatnot. So I'll get down here. So while I go in come, I put the money, check it. 10,000. Right? Usually know that if you got any problem or you want any money or anything, you can ask me if you have trouble in money. I mean, you do so.
I'm not being honest to God.
So who did Munch give on me and then a Junior? Who else? The money was here. How much money you found all of that?
10, but I mean, I don't know who the trouble. Who the trouble money?
So what you cry for?
Yes, the trouble money.
We don't need to cry. Me ask you a question, you don't need to cry. You're going to make me cry.
No trouble money. Rather ask your feet or ask Eddie. Not to be money, promise to God.
And then what you said to me say, yeah, said to me say, yo, one time mommy and the money is missing and never you and rare. I said, don't you look like that? And then the first miss the money.
I'm not to be money, I'm sweet, I'm super my life, I'm not to be money.
I have money outside already. I know Junior trouble it and the money missing.
I'm not to be money, I never do that. Never believe me. I don't know, probably I don't know. Honestly, I never trouble your money. Never do that to you.
I'm going to they make me feel bad. Me now, I feel like an idiot because me no trouble it. Junior no trouble it. At $12,500 was there. And there's a 10 that 2.5 missing from outside. And it was on the one that when we come it spread out like so.
Trouble you must scream. on my life. I swear on my life. I'm not trouble, no money. If I want the money, you know, either I ask if it or I send it back, or I rather go ask Eddie than for trouble. I'm going to thief your money, then never do that here.
But what if you're in a problem or you're borrowing time? You feel bad now for say because you never expect them to miss it before you put it back.
No, I'm not do that. I never do that to your money. I'm not trouble money. That's one thing. If I owe you, I make sure I give you back. I'm not see your money and take it up.
So where money going on?
Honest to God, I don't know.
I just a three with the year Junior was at work. Me put on the money so where it gone.
I know I'm not trouble. Probably I miss Steve, I don't know.
The dog got trouble money
Suppose
munching.
he jump up and take out somebody money in the mouth.
She can't reach up there so she never even the door did close. The door did close.
I swear, I promise to God, I swear on my life can I meet trouble money. If I meet trouble, me that tell you or my ask if you can never send it back there again. Me that never do that to you.
With it evident?
And they say I meet trouble money. Believe me, please I meet trouble money.
I want to believe you. I want to believe you, but it's hard because the money was there. And the money gone. As Junior out there start create up excitement over the money.
Put the trouble in can't know if me I come in here and too much money. Me I'd rather see like a $10 or $15 and take it up. And me come and put it back and put back extra. Because I now see big money like that when I never do that. No matter how much banana money.
Right.
And I left me never come out of the room. All them come out of the room go do, I drink water this morning and take up, just go there, take up the cranberry.
I don't believe.
Game would never do that to you, never ever trouble your money the way they
believe it. I feel like you tell me that with mommy, what do you? Because you have your plans. I want the only reason. Because money not have food. Money have food. Money have food.
Can you just say that about me?
But money not have food.
Me everything not feel it. I don't like you little close them or something. I never take your money yet. Never trouble your money.
So what if something come up?
Not now come up and I take your money. Rather ask your feet.
You don't need to cry. May I have a discussion? You don't need to cry. May I have a conversation? You don't need to cry. Money not just get up and walk with some munching.
I never take your money.
Remember when we did the hill chateau and all of everything and the money then just missing and
never take your money. I never take your money. Me I work. That means
but why if you don't have the cash?
I rather ask
me. I say, why if you don't have the cash? Come on, go on the road.
Me not wait till they come back. Would the day that when they take your money and then if you ask me now that say you know so me take out the money still or I'm pay for something or something. I never left out there from there.
The money miss so much. I find
it
hard to believe you. I really find it hard to believe you.
Please don't know me. I never trouble your money.
And it get me upset
but
because I find it really hard to believe.
I never that there.
The money put them out there, so the money just out there. All of a sudden, the money missing. And me and you alone there. Me no trouble the money. Where the money missing go? Where money go?
But I never do that to you. Never ever do that to you. Rather ask you see when me not have the cash, I come and say, can I have 1,500 for you can give me? And you say, alright, tell me about the money, but send it, screenshot it and send you. But I never do that. Thief your money them ready. And then I lie about it.
Because you feel bad, you feel guilty to the fact that you maybe never know that you go find out before you put it back.
But you must count your money when you put it down.
Yes, and it was 12.5 there. So maybe a thing say, you could have put it back before, you come back, or...
And never trouble your money.
But you count the money, you count it.
I'm not counting it.
You don't just count it a while ago?
Yeah, while ago, I'm not trouble it.
And it's 10 and it's 12.5.
I'm not even know some money out there.
Really, Munching?
I'm not even did a look on the buffet. The only other time I go there and see them call me and smell for letting me speak.
I didn't believe that. I didn't believe that. The money was right there. I don't believe that. I don't believe that. But the money grow food? If you have it, I bet they just go for it and give me or just talk and tell me because I have a sister.
Do a bit keen, you know, so
And
I
then
rather
I
ask
better,
you.
that me I say, so why you not just tell me or talk to me? Because once it's evident where the money gone, me look out there so before Junior look, me look and ask for it, me no see it. Me no see it where the money grow foot. And you know if I have it and you ask me for it, Munjin, me not think twice again.
Exactly, so why me that go get your money?
I don't know that I want to find out.
When me that answer urgently for pay for thief your money.
The money missing, the money gone, the money grow foot and gone, you say the dog. Stupid excuse that Munjin. The dog I go jump all the way up there so my stick can't reach up there, sir. And if she take the money, you would bite it up or something, I would have see it.
It's not me. You say it's not you, it's not me, and it's not Junior. So
wait, that means say money don't be
Miss Stick are the only one who they here. Me
But
not.
the dog never in here. She was outside the use any time in.
Yes,
You
she
never
did
let
run
her in at the
come
living room.
in.
You lock her inside.
She did run come
She
here.
not jump up on the whatnot. She can't reach so far.
I'm not trouble. No money. I'm not trouble your money. When knowing I'm myself, I'm never trouble your money. And my brain a lapse. I say my body to put the money. What me that did? I'm not pay for nothing. I'm not go up on the road. I'm not do nothing. Do trouble your
I
money.
don't know what we can be gone and order something or something you use it.
Me that- you
But
that
you
see
talk
it.
to me. Me and your sister, you don't need to lie to me. Talk to me.
I'm not lying to you, Kayan. Why me not thief your money? You do me a favor, me there. Me that come thief your money.
It's evident.
Kayan and me take your money.
So who take it home,
Yeah,
Jane?
no.
Give me a logical explanation as to where the money is.
Maybe. You never that you put them and you think that you put
I
them.
know how much him give me it and me count it and put it down guys and that Daniel forgets and that me put down.
I will never take your money. Honest to God, I will never take your money. You never trouble your money. When I think they see the money, oh, they, honest to God, and me that never do that. But you say, once you trouble my $20 or so, I mean, I say, alright, I need to $20.
$20.
That is even not to be a big money. I see it there and I must submit for.
I don't much. A 2.5.
I never see it there. Just have to say that again. I never see it. I go there, until I got there for water.
I don't believe, but I'm telling you, I don't believe. It just not sound logical. I don't believe. And I can't imagine that I have money in the place munching and you take it up. You can't do them something there. They can't do them something there. You know anything where you want that from me have it, me a gear it or me a lend it, if you say for lend it. We don't know, the money just missing so.
Yeah, prank me.
If you prank you, see phone you over use or me use prank you. Junior phone you will I screen brother? People talk about serious thing and you talk about prank.
No, sorry, whenever. I don't know.
So if you never trouble it, then why you say sorry?
Sorry, you lose it because I don't meet trouble it.
So we are doing that the munching, me leave the money in the house. The money was in the house. The money upon the whatnot in the house. Nobody was not coming here but me, you and Junior. Junior was at work. Me go pick up the pick with them. And you alone there. I come back and come and Daniel him say I carry the money go give the money in there. Me I tell him say I left it on the whatnot. And he take it and he count it him and say me trouble. I know me don't trouble it, so I'm you trouble it. So that me I tell you say munching, if you just talk to me now. Talk to me because you make me get very upset. Just talk to me.
My arm is scratchy. For 2 months now, trouble your money.
So you never got your arm scratcher?
Yeah. No, for real, I never trouble your money, but I never do that.
Munching. Nobody else is here. Just talk to me.
Did I tell you? Like, now me that laugh it off and say, alright, I mean it.
Talk to me.
Can't. I
Be
don't trouble your
real.
money. I
Talk
don't
to
trouble
me.
your money.
Be real with me.
I'm not trouble your money.
So why you laughing?
I'm not laughing, I just say I'm not trouble your money.
I don't believe you.
I'm not trouble your money, Care.
I know the first money missing, I'm going to make it go on. And what do you have money all this and $1,000 missing out of money? Me not say nothing, me make it go on. Because that was my money. I know my money this now. And the man that get upset over money because you don't know the things set up already munching.
And that's how I'm going to say, Junior quiet. Junior think I'm me thief the money?
So who else? Cause me and you, that me never there, him never there, and the
Mommy,
money
you
was
take it buy
here.
something.
What me take
Pepsi
it
or
buy?
something.
Take $2,000 buy Pepsi?
Probably, I don't know if
Or
I say
$2,500 buy
under
Pepsi?
me take up the money.
But me I use $2,500 buy Pepsi for me not eat anything from morning and my stomach not feel good.
I don't know under me chubby though.
But that's all like it makes sense. 3 somebody in our house, 2 never there, and the money missing. I must want something, I don't believe you, I don't believe you. I honestly don't believe you. I'm things say we just take up your things and go on. Because I can't believe that I have you in my yard, munching. You say you're going to spend some time with me, I have you in my yard. And I have my money and you take it. That don't look good. I don't like that. I don't like that. And you are crying right now, not help the situation.
But I never been to your money. I'm gonna feel bad to really believe that me.
So what if you believe so then
why me not take the money?
I don't know where you want to use it though. What you want? Talk to me. What you want? What happened? What happened? You're in a situation where you need some money, you're afraid to talk to me, or you're ashamed to talk to me, my sister.
Yeah, I come to you about anything, you know that. Even if my body feel tingle and scratch me, I come tell you. So for you I say that now, you know, say, yeah, I don't know, something wrong, you know, because I don't trouble your money. No, trouble your money. And now I see your money out there and go there, go pick it up and I like, make my teeth it or something. Don't trouble your money.
So where money there? Where the money there?
I don't know what the money there, but I don't mean trouble it.
Money just get up and walk, so now.
It's not me trouble your money.
Stop it crying and just talk to me.
I don't have no money, I don't have your money. You can look in my bag, search my things.
You don't want to search your thing, you don't want to search your thing right now. You're a damn thief, and that me I look on and me I tell you, I just feel like, more you just take your things there and pack up your things and just go on. I'm serious.
They work.
I don't really care right now when I'm munching. Because I care, obvious my sister and me yard and you take me things there.
No,
that
take
no
your money,
look good.
who would take your money?
Me shame that no look good.
Me don't never thief from you.
That no look good munching. And it's evident. It is so evident. So me now have to ask. Me not have to ask. Junior was not here. If you give me the money, my count is in front of him. It was it's a hard $1,000.
Alright, I tell you.
What?
I'll do that, take it up.
When?
You see, take it up.
You see him take it up?
I can take it up.
So Junior! Munching say you take out the money.
You know, say I don't know.
What?
And you thief your money.
Oh, me thief it.
Yeah, because I did tear out there and take up the
So,
money.
no, Munching, now you need to stop the foolishness now, man. No, this serious now. First I say a Junior now and me. No, me need my money. Munching, like, me get so upset now. You need to pack up your stuff there and go on. Be serious. Be serious. Be serious. No, I'm never cut out that. This is a brother.
Oh,
Look at her crying.
you know, from when more coming up and stop can I say, no, can I go eat?
Sissy boy is a prank. Munching said, no man, I want prank this. I see should they look for your phone and I say, what you look for? See phone, you want me to use a record. Julia, please, mash up phone. You're Munching sit down a back. Guys, I wish I could have really see the tears from my eye. My phone quality and all that, but I'm telling you,
yes,
me get her good. Me get her good. Me get you good, man.
Next
I
time
caught you.
prank, you out there don't switch
Yeah,
it.
yeah, man. Remember, say tell you, you know, say I come for you from the heart, you know, him tell you. Him tell you. So, guys, we catch her. Sissy Poo, me know you're not trouble my money. No, you're not trouble my things, them.
I almost say I do it. Come here, say, come and tell us, me say, bomba that. So something now, I say, I do that.
Won't you not switch it back, Julia?
So Sorry, Junior. Sorry.
You're switching for Junior. Yes.
Say, yo, me I said, John, when I get serious, can't say, fuck up your things.
Munjin say me at work.
Alright. I said, alright, Nora. Think quick. Well, I'm doing a message to go to money.
Start tell lie upon Junior. Sissy Pooh, me know you're not trouble my money, man.
No, me you frightened all of them.
Me catch her good. When I tell them, I think she go say, hold on. What you have on clothes? Me say, guys, I'm from morning. Me a planning. They want to hear me go out there so a while ago. La. We go out there so now go meet the guy there. So me put on clothes. Set up all the box and things like me over there so I make bouquet. But me catch her, man. Me catch her. I never expect that.
I never expect that. For real.
Love you, Sissy Pooh. Me know you're not trouble my money. So yes, guys. we catch her. Good. So last time we planned prank. She and her man switch it for me. She never knows me I come back with blood in my eye. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like the video, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And remember to click the notification bell so you can get a notification anytime a new video is uploaded. So thank you guys. Love you. See you next time.